Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You are most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. Spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day here in my class and be a fluent English speaker very shortly. Today I'll read 2 beautiful stories with 2 beautiful lessons for all of us. Try to follow me. Yes, with all your attention. Now the stories. But you have to wait a bit till the end to know the names and the morals. Let's start. The first story. The lion was hungry. Hunting had not been so good during the past week. He was sitting by the roadside feeling sorry for himself when a handsome horse came trotting past. The lion's mouth watered as he thought what a wonderful dinner that horse would make if only he could catch him. A day or two later, the horse, pretending that he had a thorn in one hoof, came to the lion's den for help. The lion licked his chops. This was the chance he had been looking for. He asked the horse to raise one of his hind feet so that he could make an examination. Solicitously, in his best bedside manner, he bent his head as though intending to examine the ailing hoof. Just as he was ready to spring, the horse let go with his upraised hoof. There was a sickening thud as the hoof met the nose, and the last thing the lion remembered was a whinny or laughter as the horse galloped away toward the forest. The name of the story: The Horse and the Lion. The moral: the best laid out scheme often has a kickback. The second story. During a battle, a trumpeter very rashly ventured too near the enemy and was taken prisoner. "Spare me, good sir, I beseech you," he begged of his captors. "Do not put me to death. I do not fight. I have never taken a life. I do not even carry any weapon except this harmless trumpet which I blow now and then." "All the more reason why you should die," replied the captors. "While you yourself have not the spirit to fight, you stir up the others to do battle and to take the lives of our comrades." The name of the story: The Trumpeter Taken Prisoner. Moral: he who incites to strife is worse than he who takes part in it. Now, daily motivational quote. Work hard and don't give up hope. Be open to criticism and keep learning. Surround yourself with happy, warm, and genuine people. Tina Desai. Thank you. Wish you a very good day ahead. Stay attached. Stay tuned.